I met the party president regarding the deletion of names. We have given, Penny Block has given 300 deletion of names to the ARO for last 12 days. Nothing has happened. We have complained to the CEO also. We have sent email to the CEO also, and I have given a copy of the email we have sent to the president. President has handed over to Advocate Palekar.
So, but what the president can do, you have to meet the election commissioner.
That's what I'm saying, I've been meeting the election commissioner every day. All copies have been shown to them. Emails have been going to them. Not a single deletion has come so far. Out of 300.
ते 300 डिलिशनाक घातलेली एकूय येवना.
एकूय येवना.
ओके, दुसरे ह्या समितीची चर्चा जाता तू इलेक्शनाक कॉन्टेस्ट करतलो म्हणून.
That when time comes, when party gives me the ticket. When party gives me the ticket.
But you are interested to contest in Panjim?
I'm always interested in contesting.
So हे पण तुमकां दिसता की पार्टी तुमकां जितली म्हणून?
My party should not give me tell me.
तत्वात सो ताका लागून.
I'm a strong party man, no. Have I any time jumped to other parties? No. I have always been in Congress. With post or without post.
तो पण आता नेवा प्रेसिडेंट येयला न्हू.
Never president will also आमचो president होतो.
You think you can take on Babush again in Panjim?
That will decide. That will decide afterwards.
No, because Babush will definitely be the BJP's candidate in Panjim.
He will decide. Let my party decide. What about it?
But you think like that? You think you can take on Babush?
Babush is God.
No, I'm just asking.
No, Babush is God.
You know better than me.
He is Babush God.
Babu, I am Jacha in politics in Kerala.
No, I'm asking you the way you're saying. Will you be able to Babush? Will you be able to Babush? Is Babush God?
So you tell me now whether
No,
what
I'm
it is.
asking you. Is Babush God?
I never said he is God.
Then okay.
So what do you have to say? You are definitely there in the frame.
I'm there in the frame. That is enough.